Good day, everyone. Good day, subscribers, and thank you for tuning in to the channel. This channel is all about affiliate marketing, the do's, don'ts, and strategies you can use to be a successful affiliate marketer. This is the fourth episode in an ongoing series that is all about affiliate marketing. This is your simplified guide to starting affiliate marketing. Don't overcomplicate it, just follow the proven steps. Step 1, Affiliate Marketing 101. It's simpler than you think. You promote a product, someone buys it, and you get paid. 2, the most powerful asset you can own is a community. Facebook groups are gold mines for affiliate marketers. Step 3, choosing the right affiliate program is crucial. Quality over quantity. Look for fair commissions that reward you for your work. 4, content is the fuel for your online business engine. Consistency beats intensity. Show up every single day. 5. You can have the best product, but without traffic, you have nothing. Paid or organic, you need eyeballs on your offer. Get more traffic. Step 6. The dream isn't about getting rich quick. It's about building assets that work for you. Create something once and get paid for it forever. That's passive income. 7. Your energy is your most valuable currency. Charge it up and watch your results explode. Power up now. Step 8. Ditch the commute. Work from home jobs are taking over. Balance your life and your bank account from your living room. Find your job. Let's take a moment to give a quick shout out to olsplive.com for all the work they've done to help others achieve success in affiliate marketing. All of us here at Internet Affiliate Secrets thank you for your service and community involvement. Be sure to go to the olsplive.com to start your Earn While You Learn affiliate journey today, where you make money while learning. 9. It's time to stop thinking like a hustler and start thinking like a CEO. Build the foundation of your business with solid systems and branding. Ready to build your empire? 10. I finally found the map to the hidden treasure. X marks the spot, and it's closer than you think. Start your journey now. Step 11. High-ticket affiliate marketing isn't about selling expensive things. It's about delivering immense value. One high-ticket sale can be worth 100 small ones. Work smarter, not harder. Level up your earnings. 12. Affiliate marketing in 3 emojis. Link, click, cash. Share a link, someone clicks, and you earn money. 13. The secret to getting ahead is simply getting started. Step 14. Social media is rented land. Your email list is the only asset you truly own. It's a direct line to your most loyal customers, available 24/7. Build your most valuable asset? 15. Affiliate marketing is the simplest way to start making money online today. You recommend products you love, and you get paid for every sale. You can start earning now. 16. A sales funnel is the automated journey you guide your customers on, from awareness to purchase. Each stage is a chance to build trust and provide value automatically. Ready to automate your sales? 17. Entrepreneurship isn't a job title, it's a mindset. See the world not as it is, but as it could be. Start your journey. Step 18. This is your day 4 simplified guide to starting affiliate marketing. Don't overcomplicate it. Just follow the proven steps. 19. Your energy is your most valuable currency. Charge it up and watch your results explode. Power up now. 20. Laser focus is the only superpower you need. Hit your goals every single time. Get focused. Step 21. Attention is the new oil, and social media is the pipeline. Master content creation, and you master the market. Get viral strategies. 22. Did you know you can earn from YouTube without showing your face? It's called YouTube automation, and it's scalable. Start your channel. We will touch more on that in later videos and podcasts within this channel. In this space, consistency and daily actions always beats complexity. So if you're serious about affiliate marketing in 2026, stop chasing shiny objects. Instead, focus on the niche that has endless demand, pays higher commissions, and allows recurring income. That's where real growth happens. And if you want more simple, practical strategies like this, make sure you subscribe. Internet Affiliate Secrets, your go-to channel for affiliate learning online. Learn more in the description or bio around this podcast.